Nasdaq listed Cognizant's revised guidance that brought the entire IT pack to its knees today. The BSE IT index, in fact, shed more than 3%, with TCS and HCL Tech really taking a heavy beating. Cognizant's downward revision of the FY12 revenue guidance set off fresh fears amongst investors about the overall health in the IT space. But let's take it across to Chandra Ranganathan, who's here to tell us what's the word on the street as far as the technology pack is concerned. Chandra.
It's a complete irony that TCS, which rose 13% on its results day, was down 5% today on Cognizant's guidance. But TCS is not isolated. Cognizant, in fact, took down the entire IT pack today. The IT index lost at least 3% after the company came out and revised its annual guidance from 23% to 20%. Now, why this spooked Indian IT companies is because Cognizant has traditionally been outperforming its Indian rivals. Even in tough years in the last 3-4 years, it's never missed a beat, and this is the first time that it's revising guidance downwards since 2008. So it's really set off fresh fears about perhaps slowing demand in the sector and about clients holding back on budgets. So that's the reason we saw the entire IT pack slipping into the red today. And as far as brokerages are concerned, a lot of them have said that this only confirms signs of a slowdown in the sector, and they are backing Infosys for its reduced expectations. Remember, Infy has guided to grow to even lower than NASSCOM's estimate of 11 to 14%. A lot of them are now saying that NASSCOM's estimate looks very aggressive. But of course, we'll have to wait and see if NASSCOM will come out and revise its estimates. Now, as far as brokerages are concerned, the likes of a Kotak and a Barclays continues to prefer Infy for its reduced expectations, whereas Goldman Sachs and Jefferies prefers HCL Tech for its growth beat. But as far as Infy is concerned, there are new doubts on whether it will be able to really touch the higher end of its guidance, because to do that, it will have to grow faster than Cognizant on a quarterly basis, and that really seems like a very tall task. So clearly, fresh fears coming out for the IT sector on the demand front.